Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to add a document that I share with you on Schoology so you can add it to your Google Drive. So right now I am in a course as a student. This course is for teachers. It's called SG Professional Development Course. And so one of the folders here I'm going to go to is this first one. Click on it. And then I want to add this tech support cheat sheet to my Google Drive because I haven't done that yet. I'm going to click on it and then click on this link again. And then over here, I see this triangle with the plus sign, and when I hover over it, it says Add Shortcut to Drive. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on this arrow where it says Go to my Drive. Then I'm going to put it in my course for this course, in my folder for this course, which is called BPA. And then I'm going to put that into this other folder called BTA COVID. And once I am here, I'm going to click on Add Shortcut here. And then click OK. And now it says Shortcut added to BTA COVID. And so now you notice the triangle with the plus sign is gone and I see a folder. And now I know it has been added to my drive. I'm completed the process now.